China's new AI-based capsule is making stomach exams quick and painless. China is rolling out an AI-powered capsule that could transform stomach exams. Patients simply swallow the capsule, and the scan is completed in about 8 minutes. No discomfort, no invasive procedures. A major leap in medical diagnostics. New AI-powered capsule endoscopy, such as the NaviCam, enables rapid and painless stomach examinations. Patients simply swallow the capsule, which uses AI to navigate and capture high-resolution images of the gastrointestinal tract in about 8 to 15 minutes. Unlike traditional endoscopy, it eliminates the need for sedation, tubes, and invasive procedures. The AI analyzes real-time data, improving diagnostic accuracy and reducing human error. This innovation enhances patient comfort, increases screening accessibility, and could significantly boost early detection of gastric diseases across China and beyond. Capsule endoscopy offers many benefits, but it also has several limitations compared with traditional endoscopy. Here are the main considerations. AI models inspect frames on the fly to detect abnormalities, ulcers, bleeding, polyps, erosions, and flag suspicious segments for closer review. This reduces missed lesions that a human reader might overlook due to fatigue or sheer volume of images. Image quality enhancement. AI can denoise, normalize lighting, and stabilize frames to produce clearer, more consistent visuals, helping clinicians see subtle signs of disease.